clip is coming up because I don't like to do anything with my hair being down. It looks pretty funky, doesn't it? Let's begin. So this is what the play suit looks like more in detail. I'm gonna go after the dart, and that's what I'm gonna make the pattern like. I want to keep this beautiful. I'm thinking to cut this off, but then the zip goes quite low.
You're going to need pencil, scissors and a tracing wheel just for you to be able to mark the paper on the other side. And I just folded the paper onto itself, and when I folded it, I'm going to use the edge as the center so I don't have to do it double, and it will be symmetric on the other side as well. So that's a little technique, and here I'm just showing you how I'm doing the dart. Essentially I'm just copying the pattern from the garment itself, so I haven't changed much. This is all copying from the pattern. So all the pieces together, and this is the binding on top where the neckline is, and I just did a simple stitch, and then I did the zip.
Hi angels! I don't know why I'd keep doing this hand thing, but today is exciting because I have finished. Do you want to see my final result? The sun is blinding. Let me show you. Are you ready? Because it's so beautiful. Wow! What do you think of this? So you can see it much better when the light hit it. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like. And these are my beautiful shoes. I never wear because I have nowhere to wear them. How beautiful are they? And I thought that these would go beautiful with my sparkly dress. Look at that. Woo! That just so beautifully finishes it.